guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a full face of nothing new. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're first going to go in with our primer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth. Next I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Atlas Active Foundation. If you guys saw my last video, you'll see that I tried this and the Maybelline Dream, I can't remember what it's called. I tried those two foundations out and I ended up liking this one a lot better. And the more I've tried it, I have grown to really love this foundation. So I'm going to go in with this, and I really like it with a sponge rather than a brush. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques Beauty sponge and I'm just going to dip right in and just start applying it to my face. I'm going to do more of a simple look today, so I usually start with my eyes first, but because my eyes are going to be pretty simple, I'm not going to worry about my foundation going on first. Don't worry about me, I'm just sitting here blending my life away. But seriously though, guys, much blending really helps with the longevity of your makeup. I found that when I take less time to blend out my foundation concealer, my makeup doesn't last as long. But when I really take the time to blend everything out, like blend it to submission basically, it lasts a lot longer on me. And I think that's with anybody really. Again though, it also depends on your skin type, so you're gonna have to kind of play around with it, but blending is a key thing to makeup. And I think that's something that a lot of people don't understand, that blending really is the key to making your makeup look good and making your makeup last. And I've been sitting here now for literally 5 minutes and I'm still blending. So that tells you how long you should at least blend for, how much blended your makeup needs to be. I don't know, maybe I'm just making things up. I really think that that's an important step, is making sure everything's super blended out. Okay, 20 minutes later. Just kidding, it really didn't take me 20 minutes, but it took a while. It seems like 20 minutes when you're sitting here just blending everything out. So next I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This was another video that I did a battling with another drugstore concealer. And this was the one that I thought worked really well. So I'm gonna go in with this, a little bit lighter than I wanted it to, but I can make it work. And it's a little bit drying, like it dries down really fast, and so I do one eye at a time because I want it to be able to blend. And again, 20 minutes of blending. Just kidding, but seriously. Blend. I should really time myself to see how long it really takes me to blend. Next eye. Done with blending. Snap, I still needed that. Hold on. Still need to do the T-zone and my eyelids. Do the T-zone. Boom. Down the nose. Forehead. Chin. Now, blend. I feel like I need to get my sponge wet again. I feel like I've squeezed all of the moisture out of it. Hold on. I didn't stop blending all the way to the bathroom, and then I blended all the way back. So we're still blending here. All right, guys, we're done with blending. I literally have been sitting here with like 10 minutes, guys, blending out my concealer foundation. And I usually don't show at all just because it's time consuming and it takes up like all the video time. But I wanted to really let you guys know that it really is important to blend out your foundation concealer. It will last a lot longer, in my opinion, from what I have seen me doing my makeup. So I would highly suggest trying it, and comment down below if it's worked for you. I'm gonna go in with powder now. And I'm just using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder in translucent. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm going to dip into that, and I'm just gonna apply this to my under eyes. I'm just gonna make sure that I don't have any creasing, which I blended it so well that there's no creasing, but I'm gonna still pat it out anyway. Don't use a lot of powder just because it's already drying concealer as it is, but I do want to set it at least so that way it doesn't crease on me. The one thing I didn't do, guys, is my eyelids. So we gotta do that really quick. Now I'm gonna go in with a bigger brush, bigger fluffy brush, and then just kind of swirl in it. I don't know if you saw that dust, but that was a lot. And I'm just gonna start pressing that on my face. So I'm gonna go in with bronzer now just to kind of give my face a little bit more color back. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Lumi bronzer. My nose looks a little weird right now, so I'm gonna take the brush that we used just for that translucent powder and kind of blend a little bit, because the lines on there are a little too harsh and I didn't want them to be that harsh, honestly. Now I'm gonna go on with my eyes. I'm gonna be using my Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow Palette, and this is their Sultry Nights palette. I think they have 3 palettes, and this is the only one that I own of theirs though. So first I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here at the very top called Bay Cashin. And I'm just going to use this for my transition shade. Hopefully it's not gonna be too light. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same fluffy brush, but I'm going to go back to my bronzer now, and I'm going to use this right where I apply that transition shade, just to kind of deepen everything up. Alright, so just for a little bit of a pop on the eyes, I'm going to go back into that palette, and I'm just going to take one of these shimmery shades. I think I'm going to go into this one right here. This is called Moonlight Beige. And I'm just going to take my ring finger and I'm just going to apply that to the center of the lid. That way it kind of pops, rather than if you put it on your entire lid, it kind of just blends in. You kind of want to just have some place where it pops everything. I'm going to just go back. Whoa. Just threw that behind me. Alright, I'm going to take that fluffy brush that I was using earlier, and I'm just going to kind of use it to blend everything together. Not a lot because I want that shimmer shade to really pop, but you do still want everything to kind of be blended in. I'm going to use this blush from Artistry. This is in the shade Soft Blush. I'm just going to take a e.l.f. blush brush. I'm just going to swirl that in there, and then I'm just going to apply that. The blush is a little bit stronger than I wanted, so I'm just going to go back within that brush that I used for the powder, and I'm just going to kind of go over it. Alright, now for my highlighter, I'm just going to use my Essence Nude Be My Highlight. And I'm actually just going to take that same blush brush that I used for the blush, and I'm going to take that and just apply that. Nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the eyebrows. Guys, I hate that I do this, but I just built a routine and I just kind of go with my routine. But I want to do my eyebrows first, but I never end up doing my eyebrows first. I always do them like last. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil and I'm going to do my eyebrows. All right, guys, my brows are on. I need to do mascara really quick, so I'm going to go in with that. I'm using my L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyelashes. Alright guys, so I just finished putting on mascara. I only put one coat on top and bottom, just because this is a really simple look, and I'm not really going anywhere today. So you can definitely put more mascara on if you'd like. Okay, so now all we have is lips, and I'm just going to take whatever foundation I have left on my lips and take it off. Alright guys, so the lip I'm going to put on is not new to me, but it might be new to you guys. I don't think I've ever shown on camera before, but it is the Maybelline lip gloss. I think these are new. I'm not sure. This is from, oh, I can't read it. Maybe you guys can just read it from the packaging. Anyway, I've really loved the lip glosses. It's got a kind of a fun applicator. So anyway, but I've really been loving this. I have this one which is more of like a nude brownish color, and then I have another one which is more of like a fun coppery gold color. It smells like that Carmax or whatever that chapstick is that's yellow and has that red cap on top. This is what it smells like. And it lasts a pretty long time, guys. I've eaten with this stuff on, and it's still on after I eat. It's kind of faded a little bit, but it's still on there. I can tell and I can feel it. Alright guys, that is it. Now I just have to quickly set my face. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This is the only makeup setting spray that I found that really works for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you did, please like this video. If you're not subscribed and you would love to join in on all the makeup fun, please hit that subscribe button down below. And if you just move your mouse over a little bit, then there will be a bell that you can click that will notify you every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.